Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting notes from Evernote on mobile devices such as iOS or Android is kind of limited compared to the desktop and the online version. Alright, so I want you to click the notebook that you wanted to work with and find the notes that you wanted to export or the file. In my case, I'm going to be using this as an example. Alright, so this is the note that I am going to export. So again, it's kind of limited. You have to click the three dots icon here and click the note info. All right. What will happen is you would be forwarded here. It takes a little while. And there should be an option that says export note. So it gives you all these information created by, what date, updated by, and the size of this specific note. If you click the export note button, again, I'm telling you right now, I hate to break it to you guys, but exporting here on mobile device is kind of limited compared to other platforms like the desktop version and the online version. You just have to wait because something will pop up depending on the file size of the notes that you are creating. Now, again, if you click on the export note, since it has kind of a limited option for you, you see that there's going to be something like a notification could not read document. So sometimes it will proceed, sometimes it's not. Now, another option, don't worry, because if it's not working for you, just click on exit for this. We're going to wait. Now, if the note has kind of like have an attachment right here, all I have to do is click that. There should be a three dots option here. Click on it, and there should be an option that says export, share, and more. If you do that, you should be able to share this to different platforms if there's an attachment. So that's one way for you to export. All right, so you can export it to social media apps like WhatsApp, Gmail, Drive, Palm Store, and the print option, even to Skype and files by Google Download. So that's two ways. Again, as I've told you, the options are kind of limited. But what you can do is another way for us to kind of like create the export simulate effect is clicking the share note. All right. Now you are exporting this as a link, not as a file. Wherein, make sure that they have the option to edit and invite. So these guys can now work on the file. It's kind of like exporting a live document using your mobile, which is gonna kind of helpful if you're working with a collaborative environment such as multiple freelancers working on a specific project here in OneNote or within your client if they wanted to give you feedback, right? So that's three ways for you. Another option is if you don't have the capability to export, again, go to the D flaps right here. I want you to go to the settings section. On the offline section right here, you want to make sure to check this section, make all available offline. This will download all your notes and notebooks to your devices. All right, downloading all notebooks, and of course you just have to locate that to your device, especially on your mobile device. You can also have the manage offline notebooks right here and manage offline notes. So these are going to be some of the limited ways for you to kind of like export data or notes here in Evernote. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.